Unity software stock or use stock on 26 September. Let's go on this video. As you can see, I will tell you here how can we go. We're getting started on this, on the slope line here, and another slope line with the increase on momentum side, because that is only the way that is helping traders by doing this side on the support and resistance, with the support and the increase of momentum with resistance. So as you can see, I really appreciate that, because that is only way that is helping everybody who wanted to see that is thing that is really beginning with the side that is very good on the start. On the side there is only another ways that should be likely to be done like this, because I think that is very good to determine the thing whether it really goes to be from the start to the end, or from the start on the side where it has to be. I think that is surprising and very good to determine that if that was satisfying on Unity stock, as it that was being very good to be the thing that it should not be having good evidence on its analysis on Unity. That is about to explain the power of the Ripe Trackment, and that is all to help you. Thank you for watching this video.